This guide will help you enhance your experience in Cyberpunk 2077 by addressing server timeout issues. Follow these steps to improve your connectivity and gameplay. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and fast. Run a speed test to confirm your download and upload speeds are adequate for online gaming. If your connection is slow, consider resetting your router or contacting your internet service provider. Step 2. Update your game. Make sure that Cyberpunk 2077 is updated to the latest version. Developers often release patches that fix bugs and improve server stability. Check for updates on your gaming platform and install any available patches. Step 3. Adjust network settings. Access your network settings and consider changing your DNS settings to a public DNS like Google DNS 8.8, 8.8 and 8.84.4. This can help improve connection speeds and reduce timeout issues. Step 4. Use a wired connection. If you are currently using Wi-Fi, switch to a wired Ethernet connection. Wired connections are generally more stable and can reduce latency, leading to a better gaming experience. Step 5. Restart your gaming console. Sometimes, simply restarting the game or your gaming console can resolve temporary issues. Close the game completely, restart your console, and then launch the game again to see if the timeout issue persists. By following these steps, you should be able to enhance your gameplay experience in Cyberpunk 2077 and reduce server timeout issues. Enjoy your time in Night City.